Weber's theory of bureaucracy. In this video, let us know about the meaning of bureaucracy, definition of bureaucracy, and characteristics of bureaucracy. First, let us know about the meaning of bureaucracy. The term bureaucracy finds its origin from the French word bureau, which means desk. A government which is run from the table is called a bureaucratic government. The word implies a particular system of administration. Historically, it has been associated with rule of government and government officials. In this form of government, there is concentration of power in the heads of the departments. Definition of bureaucracy. According to Max Weber, bureaucracy is a type of hierarchical organizations which is designed rationally to coordinate the work of many individuals in pursuit of large-scale administrative tasks. Weber, the prime architect of the theory of bureaucracy, Weber is the first sociologist to analyze the functions of bureaucracy from the sociological point of view. Weber's theory of bureaucracy is a significant contribution to the field of sociology. Weber also interested in the nature of power, authority, so he led him to establish theory of bureaucracy. Weber felt that the operation of modern large-scale enterprises or organizations in the political, administrative, economic field would be possible without bureaucracy. Bureaucratic coordination of activities is the distinctive mark of the modern era. Bureaucracies can be understood as large-scale formal organizations of the modern society with specialized functions. Bureaucratizations and rationalizations always go together because bureaucracies are organized according to the rational principles. Characteristics of bureaucracy. Fixed official jurisdiction area. Bureaucracies normally have their own official fixed jurisdiction. Bureaucracy consists of various statutes, each of which has its own fixed official duties. Hierarchy of authority. Bureaucracy has its own hierarchy of statues. Officials who occupy these statues governed by the principle of superordination and subordination. There is a supervision of lower officers by the higher ones. Clear-cut division of labor. The entire task of bureaucratic system is governed by a stipulated system of division of labor. Appointment based on eligibility. Bureaucracy has its own system of selecting employees and giving them promotions on the basis of seniority, technical competence, specialized knowledge or skill. Fixed salary, allowance and pension. The officials of the bureaucracy are paid monthly salary and other type of allowance and pensions as per the written rules. Office and maintenance of files. Bureaucracy as an organizational functions through an office wherein all the matters and transactions relating to its area of operations are maintained in the form of files. Thank you.